What's up, tubers? This is Chris. Out and about tonight. I believe today is June 29th, I believe. This is Monday. It's late in the afternoon. It's almost 9 o'clock. And as you can see, I am on my lovely 2006 Katana. Just decided about 30 minutes ago to get it out, take it for a ride. It's just been sitting in the garage. Haven't ridden it in about 7 months since the last vlog that I did on it. And I thought I'd just get it out. Woo! Getting some ground turbulence from this truck. Let me pass it. For those of you all that have multiple bikes, do you find yourself neglecting your other bike or plural bikes? For you all that follow my channel, you all know that my main bike, well, I'm not saying my main bike, but my other bike is a Honda Goldwing F6B, aka Big Black. And I love that bike. As you all see, you know, I do most of my vlogs on that bike. But this right here actually is my first bike that I ever owned. Like I said, it is a 2006 Suzuki Katana 750. The color is Candy Sonoma Red. It's more of a burgundy color. And I don't ride it as much as I do Big Black. But when I do ride this bike, man, I have a blast. The Katana has gotten a bad reputation by, you know, I guess muscle heads and, you know, pure sport bike riders. Not sport bike, but pure sport bike riders. They don't realize that the Katana is classified. Look at this up here. They don't realize that the Katana is classified as a sports touring motorcycle. So, you know, it's not a GXXR. It wasn't meant to be. But like I said, when I get on this bike, you know, I call it my fun bike. I really have a great time on it. As you can see right here, I'm on the fast lane. I'm busting on through. Speed limit is 55, and I didn't realize I'm headed at 75. Really comfortable bike as well. But what I was getting to, like I said before, do you all have a main bike that you all ride, but you feel that you're neglecting your other bikes? I just want to know. Drop me some comments in the comment section. Let me know, you know, what your main bike is and what is your alternative bike or bikes. People, I do want to let you know, I do want to add me another alternative bike to my stable. And yes, it is a bike, but for some reason, I do want me a Suzuki Bergman 650. It can be the standard or it can be the executive. But that's what I want to add a third bike to my stable. Hope everybody's doing all right this Monday afternoon. I took off today. Had a few vacation days planned a couple of months ago. I had planned on visiting my sister and my niece in California, Los Angeles, California, for my niece's graduation, but they didn't go through due to this, due to Rona. So, you know, I took those days back out, and I'm just using them here and there. This gives me a 3-day weekend. This is coming up on the 4th of July weekend, so Actually, I will only be working 3 days this week. You know, it's all good. I got those vacation days. You got to use them or you lose them. So that's what I'm doing. Like I said, I just decided about 30 minutes just to get on this bike, work it out a little bit, and I'm having a blast. I'm in Lexington. I'm on Circle 4, aka New Circle Road, on the 2006 Katana. I'm gonna let you all have the rest of your day. I hope everything is good with everybody as I continue on with my ride. BLM, and as always, one love. All right. Let's watch this acceleration. Look at that. I'm through. The cat will get down. It's not a GXXR, but you know, it's got some acceleration. All right, people, I holler.